In today's video, we're walking through how to plan your SEO content with Scalenut, one of the top AI tools for content marketing. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever struggled to figure out what to write about, how to rank higher on Google, or how to create SEO content faster, this tutorial is going to make your life a lot easier. Scalenut actually uses AI to help you research keywords, outline blog posts, and write optimized content all in one workflow. It's like having a content strategist, SEO expert, and writer working with you all at once. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Scalenut step by step and how it can help you plan smarter SEO content this year. Let's get into it. So first off, what Scalenut actually is. It's an AI-powered SEO and content marketing platform designed to help you plan, research, and write long-form content that actually ranks. It combines keyword research, topic clustering, competitor analysis, and AI writing inside a single dashboard. That means you can go from an idea to a publish-ready article in one place without juggling a million tools like Surfer SEO, ChatGPT, and just having a million tabs open. The biggest advantage is how it connects strategy and execution. Most people either spend too long doing keyword research or write content that never ranks. So Scalenut bridges the gap by showing you what topics actually have real search potential and help you create content that's structured around them. It's used by marketers, agencies, and small business owners who want consistent traffic without guessing what to write next. So if you're not already signed up with Scalenut, you can get started for free by using our link down in the description below. So you'll just click this software and then you'll follow the instructions to get signed in. So step number 1 is to navigate your dashboard. Once we are logged in, this is what the home looks like. We're going to go ahead and click Geo Core. This is where all the research, writing, and optimization tools live. As you can see on the left sidebar right here, we've got things like the keyword planner where you discover what people are searching for. Then we've got the article writer where the AI helps you create content. Then we've got the content optimizer where you refine your SEO score. Then we've got things like content audit, traffic analyzer, and link manager, just all tools to analyze performance and add links later on. There's also a Geo Watchtower for brand visibility and social upreach for Reddit and backlink threads. But for now, we're focusing on the core content workflow: research, write, optimize. This is important because understanding the dashboard layout helps you know where every stage of your workflow lives, so you're not wasting time just jumping around. Each tool inside Geo Core represents one stage of your SEO pipeline. So step number 2 is we're going to go ahead and go to the keyword planner. This is where your content strategy begins. So in the search bar, we're going to type, a main topic or a niche keyword, for example, maybe like home workouts or maybe gut health or maybe healthy snacks. And then you can go ahead and search. You can go ahead and click plan, and then it will generate this report, which we can take a look at. Within this report, Scalenut will actually generate related keywords people are searching for, clusters, as you can see, keyword difficulty, which is right here, the search volume, the top domains. And with the clusters, this means instead of writing separate posts for each keyword, you can build one comprehensive piece that ranks for multiple phrases. So example, we typed in healthy snacks, we've got very healthy snacks, healthy munchies snacks, healthy snack ideas, healthy energy snacks, best healthy snacks, okay? And the list goes on and on. And then as you can see, the search volume is very high for healthy snacks and healthy snack ideas. And then you also see the keyword difficulty. So this essentially indicates how challenging it would be for a website to rank organically in the Google top 10 for the entire set of analyzed keywords in the cluster. Obviously, with a 73, this means you're going to need a lot of high quality domains and optimized content. But even this one, 46, healthy snack ideas, is a little bit on the lower side. So we can even sort. As you can see, this search volume is pretty high and the keyword difficulty is very low. So it says your chance to start ranking new pages is very easy. Even let's see this one, healthy crackers. Your chance to start ranking new pages is very easy. And this has a high search volume as well. Okay, so you can see what's highly searched and then what's going to be easiest to rank on Google search results. So Google's algorithm now rewards topic coverage, not just reduce keyword stuffing. So by using clusters, you actually position yourself as an authority on a topic, which increases your chances of ranking multiple pages under one theme. You can save these clusters or open one to dive deeper into a topic report. And then from here, we can go ahead and create an article directly from this. So like healthy crackers, that is such a good one, or healthy travel snacks. Maybe we'll create an article on this one. Then you can see again, even more the intent, the relevance, the search volume, etc. So now we'll go ahead and create a geo article. So here you can see the geo articles in process. If we were to just do healthy snacks, as you can see, this article is done. Maybe we click open article. So you can obviously write it yourself, or you can have the AI help you out, AI suggestions, and then you can kind of choose. So discover delicious and nutritious healthy travel snacks to keep you fueled. So as you can see, when you're writing this, it gives you so many tools over here, right? So as you can see, this is the brief. We've got the gaps in the gains, and then we've got so much research over here, right? So we can see all of the key terms that we want to make sure we add, like trail mix is 10 out of 10 importance. Greek yogurt is a 7 out of 10. We can come look at the competition, right? So healthy travel day tips and snacks, right? We've got healthy airplane snacks. So if you want to expand this, you can. So it even ranks kind of how they're doing in terms of SEO. You can go to questions super easily. It takes everything from Google to Reddit. You can look at stats. So going all out on sugar for a few days, for example, will mean your body will crave more sugar even after you get back from your trip. And then you can even look at a detailed report, right? So you can see the word count of the top 10, competition, questions, stats, citations, keywords. So what this does for us is gives us information to help make this SEO friendly so people can actually find what we wrote about. So the beauty of it is you can write it from scratch, or you can have their AI write it. And then what you can do is it'll give you a content score. So as you can see, we've got a prompt coverage issue. So you'll want to improve content score by fixing prompt coverage. Your content covers responses for 7 prompts. Answering the remaining ones will increase your AI visibility. Example, are there any quick recipes for homemade healthy travel snacks, right? You can have their AI fix it right here by clicking fix it, and then it will update on here. Meta tags, all good. URL, we could improve by fixing a URL and adding one. The content depth is an issue. So it says there are no images. So we'll definitely want to add that on there, right? So that way we'll just type in snack. We'll go ahead and add that. Cool. Now we fixed it. You can add alt text to even improve it more. So again, the beauty of it is it just tells you everything that needs fixing, right? That way your SEO score will be higher, and that means you'll be easier to actually find your content, which is so powerful. So we can even come to look at this one. As you can see, this is an 88 score. Their AI completely wrote this and added all of the images. So again, it just makes it super, super easy to create blogs and long form content super quick. So Scalenut also has something called cruise mode. So this is if you want to speed things up even more, it will actually go through a workflow that goes from keyword, SEO report, content brief, full draft automatically. So you don't even have to follow the step-by-step. It actually does it for you. It's only available in limited form on the free plan, but fully unlocked on paid tiers. What this is doing is essentially automating the entire research to writing process when you're short on time. You still get to edit and refine, but cruise mode gives you a solid head start. It's ideal for batching content creation, think 5 to 10 posts at once, or when you're testing new ideas fast without manually setting up each report. Okay, so now that you've seen the main workflow, let's quickly talk about the pros and cons of using Scalenut. So the first pro is it's an all-in-one experience. You don't have to bounce between keyword tools, spreadsheets, and separate AI writers. It's all connected. The keyword clustering and topic reports are extremely accurate, which saves you from wasting time on low impact topics. The AI writing quality is also solid, so much more natural and structured than most standalone writers. It definitely feels guided instead of generic. And then finally, the SEO optimization features just help you understand why certain pages rank, so you're not just guessing, you're actually building content with a plan. Now for the con. So Scalenut can feel a bit heavy for quick writing tasks. If you just need to draft a short blog or email, it's more tool than you need. And because it's pulling real-time SERP data, reports can take a few minutes to generate, but that's also what makes them super accurate. And lastly, while the AI is strong, you still need to add human touch, right? Especially for voice, storytelling, and personal examples. You don't want to just rely on that. People can feel when it's just simply AI written. You want to add your own touch, your own personality, your own brand voice to make sure that you're really really connecting with your audience. Okay, so now let's talk about the different plans and pricing options. So they do have a couple options here. I'm going to go over the annual plans because you can actually save up to 60%. So they've got, of course, the free plan, but it is very limited. And then they've got the essential plan, which is $20 a month billed annually. With this plan, you can create ready to rank humanized articles, 15 a month, and optimize and humanize existing articles, 15 a month, and then a WordPress plugin. With the growth plan, this is $32 per month billed annually. With this, you get all the essential features, but you also get 90 articles a month for both ready to rank humanized articles and optimized and humanized existing articles. You also can build powerful keyword clusters, 90 a month, audit and optimize your sites, 600 pages a month, and then you can also analyze web pages, 1,500 pages a month, unlimited domains, and then you can add up to 2 team members. Next is the Pro plan, which is $60 per month billed annually. With this, you get all the growth features, but you get more articles a month, more clusters a month, more pages, domains, etc. And you can add up to 7 team members. Then they've got the managed service plan as well, but you do have to book a call with them. I just wanted to mention too, it doesn't only save you 60%, but also it does upgrade you a bit when it comes to the amount of clusters, the amount of articles, etc. So just wanted to make that known as you're deciding a plan that works for you. But just try the free plan out, test it out, see how you like the workflow, and see if it matches what you need for your business. So why Scalenut is worth using? Scalenut is one of the few AI tools that truly connects strategy with execution. Most AI writers can help you create content faster, but Scalenut helps you create content that actually ranks. If you're serious about using content to grow your website traffic this year, Scalenut is absolutely worth trying. As a personal note, I know SEO can feel complicated. Between keyword research, writing, and optimization, it's really easy to just get stuck before you even start. But once you use a system like Scalenut, it just becomes simple. If you want to check out Scalenut and get started on the free plan, make sure you use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It really just helps us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are not already. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you understand and choose the best SaaS tools for your business, from automation software to AI platforms that save you time and make you money. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.